Hey guys, it's Monica Crawford with the Crawford team at Keller Williams. I want to welcome you to the Pink Streets. This neighborhood is one of St. Pete's most unique places to call home, located right here in Pinellas Point. It's a waterfront community. You have the Tampa Bay just steps away. You can enjoy beautiful views of the miles-long Sunshine Skyway Bridge, and there's a lot of really unique history that comes with this neighborhood. It was developed in the 1920s and 30s, and the developers at the time wanted this to be one of the healthiest places to live. And so they dubbed the Pink Streets one of the healthiest places to live. And in order to draw special attention to this neighborhood, they dyed the concrete pink. And this is what gives these streets this really unique tone and hue. Now, this is a place that is absolutely not going to be your cookie cutter neighborhood. You have such unique architecture throughout this entire neighborhood, and you've got an eclectic group of homeowners that call this place home. So excited to have this home to present to you. It's got a ton of character inside and out, and I can't wait to show you around. Welcome to 7035 10th Street South in the Pink Streets. This is a gorgeous corner lot home. It's a pool home with over 2,000 square feet. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a 2-car garage and a gorgeous layout. You have pool views and access from nearly every room in the house. Come take a look. There is so much that you're gonna love about this home. As I shared before, the Pink Streets is a really unique place to live, not your cookie cutter neighborhood, and this is not your cookie cutter home. There are tons of happy surprises around every corner in this home, and I can't wait for you to get inside and check them out. Here we are in the heart of the home, truly the heart of the home, your kitchen. This beautiful kitchen was completely renovated in 2017. You've got gorgeous granite leathered countertops. I love these. A great pass through into your pool area. And there is so much storage space in this home altogether, but certainly in this kitchen. The sellers did a great job making sure that they added some special touches that really add to the ease of our lifestyle. So you've got added storage space, plenty of countertop space and prep space, and of course a gorgeous stainless steel appliance package. And I really love how the kitchen opens up and flows so nicely to your family room. I've said it before and I'll say it again, this home is made for entertaining. It's made for enjoying the Florida lifestyle and all that you have to enjoy here on this property. And I would be remiss if I didn't point out that your kitchen also has these beautiful slider doors, pocket doors, that you can close off to really give maximum privacy to this portion of the home. This family room has your 3rd set of hurricane impact sliders leading you out to the pool and lanai area. And my favorite feature is the built-in entertainment center. Not only is this just such a smart use of space, but the owners did a great job carrying a consistent look with the same cabinets and the same leathered granite countertops. So made for entertaining. Again, not your cookie cutter home. We have this adorable pantry door that leads you into a laundry room that even I wouldn't mind doing laundry in. You can see here you've got tons of space. You've got a full-size, side-by-side laundry unit. You've got your utility sink. And I have to point out all of the storage space that you have in these built-ins, including pull-out drawers. Storage space abounds most definitely in this home. Now this is actually where you're gonna spend all of your time, in this gorgeous enclosed pool and lanai space. Yes, you do have over 2,000 square feet of heated and cooled space to enjoy, but this is what we pay for to live here in Florida. We live in paradise. This enclosed patio was just renovated just a couple of months ago. So you've got brand new pavers, brand new framework on your bird cage, brand new screens, including this state-of-the-art privacy panels on the bottom. This is a corner lot and this is a very walkable community, but now you can enjoy your pool with complete privacy provided by these privacy panels. So again, this is over 300 square feet of additional living and useful space. You've got a gorgeous pool that was resurfaced with sand pearl in 2012, I believe. It's an 8-foot pool, and you can see that this whole paver area carries all the way around to the rear of the home, which is a perfect space to set up a fire pit, your grill area. Let your imagination run wild. Again, this property is located at 7035 10th Street South in the Pink Streets, where you want to be, steps away from the water. You're going to enjoy gorgeous sunrise views over the Tampa Bay. It's a very walkable community. I'm sure you can't wait to meet all of your neighbors and they can't wait to meet you. This home has been lovingly cared for. Nearly every part of the home has been touched since 2016. Renovated kitchen, renovated bathrooms. All of your major systems have been updated, have plenty of life. You've got tons of natural light. It truly is just waiting for you to bring your toothbrush and call it home. Reach out to the Crawford team if you'd like to schedule your private showing or if you'd like more information on this property.